Did you know that you can extend the screen timeout from those options to those additional options simply with a few clicks? So in front of me, I've got LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Matte Edition, and let me share with you how to do it. All right, so the first step, we have to open the settings. Let's tap on them. Here in this left section, we have to scroll all the way down and go to About Tablet. Then let's scroll down again and localize software version. It is right here. So all we have to do now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in a developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, and that's normal, no worries. Simply enter it and you will unlock the developer options. Now, after that, we have to go to the general settings, which are right here. So let's simply tap on it and scroll down to the very bottom. Now let's enter developer options. And right here, almost at the very top, we've got the option Screen Timeout Shows Options for 30 minutes and never. I've got this option turned on. However, if you will open the developer options for the very first time, it will be turned off. So all you have to do is to tap on this switcher here, or actually, I can show you. Now I've turned it off. So let me go to the display. Quickly go to the screen timeout, and as you can see, the screen timeout options ends with 10 minutes. So now let's go back, go to general settings, go to developer options, and simply tap on the switcher. So let me tap on it to activate it, make sure that it is active. Now we can go back to the display, then scroll down and go to the screen timeout. And as you can see, we've got those two additional options. Be aware, if you want to use them, so if you'd like to use 30 minutes or never, you need to keep the developer options turned on, because if you will turn them off, then your device will simply kind of reset all of the customization, and again you will end up with screen timeout with 10 minutes at best. So simply make sure that you will leave developer options turned on, and you will be able to use 30 minutes or never. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.